Man, Jody. We're heading to Simple get some shots because the time is around almost minutes to 3. We don't do the makeup. I was thinking about getting something to do some in the studio as well. You know? Yeah, so we're trying to head to the other location, well, the first location after done do Jodisha makeup and all that. We had some rain all this morning, but then we're trying to see what's going on now. So we kind of shoot we could get to do. Jodisha can't get to do the studio part because it's gonna be too late. Then I have another shoot after with Romancia. Yeah, so the part that we was gonna use, which is around forestry, all down this now kind of full of grass, and now sell like a part you could actually use. I don't know how you can go use if it's getting back nice trees up there that you could get to use. So we're gonna try. Yeah. So we're gonna actually try and see what we do. Yeah, so we're in the wilderness. Follow me. As you can see this right here. This is the penis right here, so. Right here. Let me show y'all.
To another level.
Any point, any girl, many pon many, so we do it when you boss up. If I ever hit up on me, sing creep up on me, that I pass out. Girl, you ever look neat, ever flash out. I think on your two please with your parts out. Any point, any girl, many pon many. Pretty girl with a body, we with a mad anybody. You me did a people type on my table. She call man's the first time turn up the rest of history, if you know what I mean. You say, hey pretty girl, what you doing out there? So she hurting a lover, now she don't care. Pretty girl with a body, we with a mad anybody. So me take her off for the scene. You're right up.
Talking to you, come out to Tapel, make a split and bust a peg. And sit down right there, bounce on it and tell me what's your name. Bounce on it and tell me what's your name. Bounce on it and say your name. Cause girl, the position they wicked. You make the man them stupid. I feel you want to give my soul because you're bouncing cooking. You make me feel like but the vision lucid. And when you do what you do, baby girl, you know you give it. Shake it up and twerk, look after your machine works. Some man like to eat with spoon, I want to give you a fork. If I rush a brush, I know you're gonna get paint up.
Hey, what's up guys? Boy, what am I just collecting my light here. So we finished the shoot with Jodisha. We do a little behind the scenes because nobody didn't get anyone to hurt me today. So let's call it a bit of a mother nature. She didn't have much nature all over her, but she was surrounded by nature as you can see. And she getting up down there. I don't know. That's it with Jody. Jody, what do you have to say?
That's a wrap.
You heard it right here. That's a wrap.
Careful, you make me fall apart.
And if you looking to trade your head, well you know I have the cock. What is that your money drop? Bend over and pick it up.